Purnamaste, Purnamaste. Welcome to the art of the word that I am from the heart. It's all fictional art. If it has any similarities with real life, it's coincidental. This is art of the word that I am from the heart poetry. I haven't yet speak anything about Capitol Hill and what was going on there and what's going on in USA, and I won't. If it's any similarity with that, this is fictional art. I'm an artist. Mr. Trumpeto does not exist. It's all just art. But I haven't yet spoke about it. And please, this is sensitive art. This is sensitive topic. Keep the answer within. The answer is correct. Answer is within you. Don't comment on this because I am to speak about politics. 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 Don't get fooled by it. Not that some election, some competition is rigged. It probably is always and forever. Because the whole political game, all this game is rigged, planned, fraud. Don't buy into it. Don't buy into it that the right side is good and left side is bad, or the left side is good and right side is bad. You have to understand that these are just wings of one same bird. Wings that are designed to keep people on the left and right wing fighting each other, seeing each other as the devil and themselves as God, as angels. People on the wings of that bird, on the opposite wings, fighting each other, always fighting, so that they don't see what is really going on, how the bird carries them into the land of darkness. Yeah. So that they are busy fighting each other. Focusing on each other as left being bad, right being bad. But do not see the one bird that is carrying them to the land of darkness. Why would you think? I don't know anything. I'm an artist. I just speak my own perspective. Why would you think that the right is good and of the truth and left is not, or that left is of the truth and right is not? You have had many leaders from the right that was terrible, like Borch, Woosh, both of them fictional characters. There were Pureblicans, no? In Pureblicanic party. You had JF, Neddy, Hey Neddy. He was shot by Cabal. He was on the left. You had Nick Nilton, Blinton, kill Kill Blinton, you had Kill Blinton. Kill Blinton on the left. Awful. So what is that? Maybe occasionally somebody comes into the left, into the right, that is of the truth and disrupts the game. This doesn't mean that the right is of God, of angels, and the left is of angels of God. If Neddy, J.K. Neddy was there, and everything. I don't know what it was. Everything can be just planned. Everything can be just planned to turn people against one another, like you see in USA today. What is the best tool if the right is revealing the truths, secrets, and the left is denying them? What happens is people start rebelling, people start fighting with each other. The wings on two sides start fighting with each other. But what if it's all planned? What it all has to be like it is? You see, there was actually a lot of disclosure of secret truths on the national American television, on Fox News. Disclosure of the truths that were never disclosed on the national television and Australian television also. The effect of the current president of the USA, Mr. Trumpeto, that doesn't exist in his fictional character. You see, never before in history, you have actually truths that conspiracy truthers are speaking for years, that alternative media is speaking for years. Hidden secrets. You had them all on Fox News. It was disclosure, no? On national television, you see a lot on Australian television, you see a lot on American television, on Fox News. So, there was disclosure. On national television, disclosing the truth. Telling the truth to people all over the USA, all over the world, the secrets. And now punishing and repressing and labeling as conspiracy theorist everyone who believes the truth. You should not speak it, you should not spread it. You should not believe in it, and you are a covidiot, and you are a conspiracy theorist. Like they have opened the lid of the secret jar. They told the truth on national television to people, and now they're denying it. And even punishing, taking freedom of speech away from people who are spreading this truth. Is it all planned, huh? No answer. Answer is within you. I have my answers within. Trying to invoke the answer within you. The fact is, if it's planned or not, this resident Trumpeto from my fictional book that I'm writing is actually crazy president. He actually disclosed a lot of secrets and was actually against the plan of the cabal. Now, if every US president is planned, even he was planned. I don't know anything. I'm not believing he's some kind of savior or that he's a devil. But I see either was planned by cabal so, or he was doing it willingly, being a pain in the ass to the plan of cabal, revealing the secret truth, and really blocking the NWO, New World Order, attempts. And everything is upside down. And for sure what he did, was it planned by cabal or not? For sure. One thing he did. What is this thing? He released the shadow out of the jar. Secrets. And the shadow of people, anger, fear, despair, outrage. And his own shadow, his own greed. He's greedy, he's corrupt. He did many bad things, all to doing the good cause. And he, unconscious of his shadow did also very much bad things, but he actually offered a public disclosure to the world all the time and all his years of presidency. Therefore, they call him worst president, and everybody bashing him. But why? Like I was saying, he's no saint. He's greedy. He wants to be number one. He sure has some bad things in his sleeves. He sure is corrupt. He sure is bad. His shadow that he was not conscious of is catching after him, running after him now. You see, when the media, everybody bashing him always, criticizing him, making him make look worse, censoring him, telling everyone that he's a demon, is actually showing that he was doing what he should not do, revealing the secret truths. Secrets, the darkness that should not be revealed. If it was planned by cabal or not, I don't know. But I know one thing. This Mr. Trumpeto was different. He's different. He was truthfully bad, truthfully greedy, honestly, sincerely greedy and bad, corrupt. Honestly and sincerely how he feels. He was not people pleasing, not pretending. He was sincere and authentic. He was actually sincere and authentic, showing himself for who he is. And what didn't feel right to him in his energy, he didn't take it. And this you don't see by politicians. Because my next fictional character, this Jaden, Bo Jaden, speaking so sweetly, so nicely, imitating Kennedy in his voice. So everything polite, people pleasing, pretending. But it looks like that he doesn't remember if he took a cognitive test. And it looks like he is lying, deceiving, pretending so nice. But actually want to take freedoms, rights away from humanity, money, promising them heaven so sweetly, but will give them hell. Now you see, want to give them hell. Now you see this Mr. Trumpeto speaking hell, speaking like a bad mouth. He did many good things. So was my fictional event in the capital planned? A hoax? A false flag? Can be. Because it was too much what he was doing. And he should be conscious of his shadow. If it was planned, it would happen and anyway. He should be conscious what he speaks when he addresses the masses. And that's how his shadow got him, with his crazy unconscious deeds that actually made people do crazy things. And if it was planned and a false flag, it would happen anyway. And if he would choose his words wisely, that he would not incriminate himself, and it would happen, had nothing to do with him. And now, like I said, the shadow is getting him. From behind. Politics, huh? It's all a rigged game. It's all a rigged game. Was he sincere? Is he sincere like Neddy KJ? Neddy KJ? My fictional character who got shot in my book? The part of the plan? Can't be. You know, sick plan to reveal and disclose all the ugly truths and everything on the national television like Fox News, and now punishing, taking freedom of speech away from people, labeling them as terrorists if they actually believe and follow that truth. Letting the shadow out can be part of the plan also. Or not, I don't know. But I just know he was sincere and authentic. And he is. He's not lying, people pleasing and pretending. But he is lying. He has no integrity and like this. You know, if he tell, I'd go there with you in a Capitol building, then go there with them. Don't hide there like you are like watching Westwood, what the robots will do from big screens. That's unconscious. I'll be there with you. Fist. And then leaving them. No, don't say do that. I called the National Guard. It didn't. And in this way, he incriminates himself. Unconscious of what he's saying. Like a child. If he's sincere and truthful, I hope he's protected. And then he really did a good thing. He disclosed ugly truths he wanted to prevent, still wants to. And God knows what is to happen. The cabal plan. He doesn't deserve this, if anything follows. But if he is part of a plan, what to do, then he will anyway not. And everything is a game and he'll not get punished and sentenced. You never know in this crazy game what is the truth and what is planned and rigged. It's not that an election is rigged, but the entire fucking political system is rigged. You know? And this is what you have to realize. This is what it actually is. Insane. The entire political system is actually rigged and planned. Two sides of the two wings of the bird, left and right, are the wings of the same bird that are flopping from the one heart and are designed to divide humanity, to separate humanity, to make humanity fight each other amongst themselves like beasts. That's what it is. Nothing else. How can you buy into a theory that right is good and left is bad, or left is good and right is bad, when you had Nelly KJF on the left, you have Mr. Trumpeto on the right, and you had Kill Blinton on the right. You have Vorch. You had Borch, Jush, two of them on the right. So you can see there can occasionally come somebody who infiltrates the left and the right, who is of the truth. But as you see, they don't like him. And they label him as the worst criminal. Why would the entire media go after the president and everybody to discredit him? He's doing something which should not be done. Or it all just planned, a rigged plan. What can we do? People died in a capital. What to say about this election, this competition in the USA? What to say? Huh? I don't know. The fact is that the courts didn't accept the cases, didn't want to look into the evidence. Everybody was rejecting the cases. And that actually the evidence on YouTube and videos and articles disappearing, getting ghosted all over the YouTube, all over the internet. There's so much doubt and so much probability and so much strange stuff. Nobody wanted to investigate and everybody was just speaking against to even try. So naturally there is hideout. People are upset. And People are getting awakened. They understand the plan of the cabal. They see they are enslaved in the system that wants to destroy them. They don't believe the government anymore. They don't believe in the democracy and what it has to do with Mr. Trumpeto. People have enough, and people will have even more enough. As you see, freedom of speech is getting taken away because politics. Even took Parler down, they want to take from Amazon. And I cannot get it on the Google store. People are seeing their rights, their freedoms taken away. They don't believe politics. They have enough. And Trump, he was just what was needed, what is needed to bring the shadow out, to open up the drawer of secrets, to disclose the truth. Now the shadow is out. In the system, all the corruption, and people are waking up to it and just going crazy and just cannot comprehend and cannot accept how is this possible? As we are slaves and they don't really care about us and never did. So naturally, there is a lot of unrest in our people. So don't believe in politics. Believe in yourself. Right side and left side are two sides of the one same bird and are designed. The bird is one and bird is laughing and the wings are one flapping from the one heart. But it's designed that people on the left and on the right only see each other. One on the left as evil, one on the right as good or opposite, and they actually do not see and want to see anything else. They do not see what is going on, where the bird is taking them. And the two wings are in agreement. It's a sick game, even like things like this. All these 4 years can be planned just to invoke shadow out of people, to make people go insane on the streets so they can have an excuse to control people and enslave people. Politics. When they want to save you, they want to control you. When they want to protect you, they want to keep you prisoner. When they want to save your health, they want to destroy your health. When they're doing this for your safety, for your freedom, they want to take your freedom away. Believe in yourself. Believe in the truth. Truth is one. We are one humanity. One love. Truth is that everyone, there is no governor and no president that you should believe in and that is coming to save you or anything like this. You should govern yourself as you feel free, doing what you love, and let others be their own authority. Do as they feel, as they love, and no control, no position, no forcing, no changing, no commanding anyone, and no opposing, no resisting, no trying to destroy, no of these things. This is the law of New Earth. You govern yourself as you feel from the heart and you let others be. If it doesn't feel right to you, walk away from it. Move away from it. It is not for you. That's the law of the New Earth. That's the law of the New Earth. That's the law of the New Earth. And everyone should govern themselves and let others govern themselves. There's no position, no control, no command, no violation, and we can live in peace, free from the heart. No president is to come to save you, no left and right. They are to have to save themselves, and they are not doing it. You see, they're fucking their lives up, unconscious of the shadow. Bring your shadow to consciousness and do the right thing. Free yourself from the heart, from politics. Be as you feel, and let others be as they feel. If they don't resonate with you, then should walk away. Let everybody govern themselves, and you govern yourself. Be free as I am. We will live in peace. No president will save you. They will have to save themselves, as you see. But every politician who comes from the truth and infiltrates the world of lies, when they are actually lying and deceiving, promising you heaven, giving you hell, when truth means nothing, and somebody of the truth comes, I praise him and bless him, and may he be protected. But about this thing, I don't know anything. It's crazy. But I like the fact Mr. Trumpeto is authentic, sincere, truthful to how he feels and others, not people pleasing and pretending. That's the people I love. Politics I don't like. It's the rigged game. Like I said, the two wings of the bird belong to the same bird, and are designed to keep those on the opposite sides of the birds fighting each other, consumed by the fight, so they don't see how the bird is taking them to hell. And bird is one, and two wings are in agreement, although they want you to believe they are enemies, as they want you to be enemies. But the true politics is one humanity. We are one. We are as we feel, every one of us, doing what we love, and we let others be free as I am. Let them govern themselves and do what they love. No control, no force, no change, no command, no authority, no opposition, no violation. That's the one truth, one humanity, one love. Fuck the bird of politics. I give you my word, and thank you. And if you find any answer in the word that I am, I'm so grateful. You know, you find the answer within you, has nothing to do with me, so keep it within you. But if you offer a donation, if you feel like offering a donation, do know that I'm so grateful, and like a little child, I cannot be more grateful. Really. Blessing you like a master, don't bless me. Allow yourself, you're giving donation to a class of a master, and allow yourself to get blessed. And bless, be blessed. But I'm grateful like a child. You get an answer within you, it's your truth. Has nothing to do with me. You follow your heart. I'm so grateful. I don't chat. I don't want to deal. You know, social media, like comments, messengers, all these things is just making me out of alignment immediately. I don't do. But I'm so grateful for every single. That's why I teach silence of the mind, so the truth can be revealed in you being the truth. And that's why I'm so grateful for every donation. And I want to give you my best energy. Not what I would suffer in, but I want to give you something that I really love to give you. And what is that? I'll do white light quantum source healing on you. It's a gift for your gift, nothing you buy. So don't say nothing. You just have my word that I give you this gift for every gift I receive. And I say nothing, you say nothing. It's quantum white light source healing. I am so clairsentient, don't worry. I connect with your being. I see in PayPal your email address, all I need. I connect with your being. And I do complete white light. I take my 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, like this. Depends. Just that I do. streaming of profound white light source healing energy. I bet you in white light source energy. I do energy work. I say nothing. You say nothing. Quantum white light source healing, you don't need appointment, you don't need to stand still. And it's important you don't tell me nothing about your problems because my way, the sensitive way, I have to focus on you being free of all afflictions. In this way, I do the best healing on you. And what you do with my healing, how you utilize my healing, is up to you. As much as you work on yourself, my healing works on you. If you believe politics is true and you are thinking right is good and left is bad, you don't see the bird laughing and taking you to hell. No one can heal you, no one can save you. But if you govern yourself as you feel, do what you love, you free yourself from politics and you let others govern themselves as they feel. No control, no force, no command in anyone. No one can control, force, and command you. No opposition, no violation, no allowing opposition, violation from others. You save yourself, you heal yourself. I give you my word, I do healing on everyone who offers me a donation. I give you my word. Guru Namaste. Guru Namaste. The answer is within you, revealed in you, being the truth. Never mind. Guru Namaste.